So today we have this Robo Chameleon. So let's see how it looks like. Wait. So let's take it out. Oh, it's like a robo dog I had. It needs batteries, I think. So now we just have to screw this. It's coming. This is weird already. It's here. Oh. I don't know how many a chameleon needs. I hope it's 2. So now we screw this back. Tight. Now let's see if the chameleon works. So the chameleon needs batteries too. I wonder if this works. Yeah, it works. Now are you out? Ah, yes. Come on. We all have 6 batteries. Hi guys. So today we have this new chameleon that we just bought today. You can't really see it, so it has lights inside. See the food? See the food? That's what we're going to do for tricks. So now we're going to start with level 1, only with 1 food. Ooh, let's put this a bit further away so you can see it. So now, I have this remote here. And look what I'm going to press. I'm going to press this button. And when I press it, it's going to eat. But I'm going to put this. So, but you don't block it. Otherwise, it will hurt you here. So you have to be like here and press it. 3, 2, 1, go. What? Ah! I forgot to turn it on. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Let's try again because it didn't work. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it pushed it away. Let's see now. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Whoa, it went inside. Get it out. Okay, now let's see it. Now we're going to start with 2. So let's see if we can do 2 at a time. So 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it was here. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Go. Oops. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, you hate me. Woo! It didn't do it 2 at a time, but it actually did the one under and then the one over. That's cool. Let it out! Yeah. Let's no. So let's just put it in a row so it's easier a bit. 3, 2, 1, eat. Eat! Oh, that's paint! Eat! Whoa, it went inside. Yeah. Ooh, it spit it out. Let's go again. Eat! Paint. Woo! We did it! Hallelujah! Ooh, that's a spinning one! Now we have to do it with 4! Dun dun dun! I think this is an ant. Yeah, it's an ant. So guys, now I accidentally pressed paint and that's why the tail was moving. So 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, it pushed on the way right here and then took it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it did that again. 3, 2, 1, go. Again. So now we are going to show you about the colors. Colors, 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 color, color. Guess which color is this? And this? And this? And this? And this? And this? Ooh, this is a special color. Do you know what? Maybe we can have a disco party in that room, the darkest one. It wags its tail when it just changes color. Now, googly eyes, googly eyes. Now, we will show you how it goes back and forth. Oh, and I will show you how it paints. So the color is here, this button. And when you press it, it becomes red, purple, blue, orange. See? So, see this giant button? This is for back, this is for this side, this is for right, this is for left. So now you will see how it moves. We will put it in. We're going anywhere. Now we need lots of room. So I will take the whole area. Now we can do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Did you see that? It can even come back. See? And now we are going to show you how to paint. Oh, it can even make sense!